Hello guys, you're welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Rosie reveals deep secret why she accepted Kachi's marriage proposal. Ultimate Love winner Rosie reveals deep secret why she is madly in love with her co-winner Kachi. Recall that Rosie and Kachi are the winning couple from Ultimate Love reality TV show season 1, which ended some weeks ago. Rosie and Kachi have been giving us couple goals since the show ended, and they have not stopped telling us how much they love and want to spend the rest of their lives with each other. Rosie, who is the mother of two, shared the picture of herself on social media platform Instagram and wrote this note: "I submit myself to your love, leadership and care. You were the only one that found good in me when everyone found dirt in me. You really loved me with all my shortcomings, with what a mess I can be, how moody I can get, but you never stop loving me or wanting me in your life. I love you from the depth of my soul. At I am Kachi." Alright guys, send your wishes to our favorite ultimate love couple, and if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.